New video, I just pranked my brother. This is what it is right here. If y'all new, subscribe, like, and subscribe. I'm just doing everything backwards. Anyway, let's go to the prank. Hey, look, to hurry up. It's almost time to eat. So, Mom said we're having oatmeal for breakfast.
Are you being serious?
Yeah. Yeah, she called on the phone. She said we're having oatmeal for breakfast. Told her I made muffins, but she said we're still having oatmeal. So y'all need to cut back on the big glamorous breakfasts. So she said we're having oatmeal. It's crazy. I'm not even like, it doesn't even make any sense. Like I already made muffins, so I have an oatmeal.
Bro, that doesn't even make sense.
Yeah, it doesn't. But we're having oatmeal.
And she expects us to eat that.
Yeah. She said we're having oatmeal. We got bacon, we got apples.
I don't care, I ain't eating that. It's like another thing. What the heck?
She said,
That doesn't make sense. Why would she call and tell us that we're having oatmeal? I ain't eating that. She knows.
Then what are you eating then?
She knows that I don't eat oatmeal.
Why don't you eat oatmeal?
I don't like that.
Because it's funny, because we're having oatmeal. We're having oatmeal, you're eating it too. Why aren't you eating oatmeal?
Bro, I don't know why you're being taking this.
Why aren't you eating oatmeal? Don't you like oatmeal? You like oatmeal?
Not eating it. No, I was saying like, it means you not eating oatmeal.
Don't, but you love oatmeal.
I never said that. I
Yeah,
said
you
I
did.
hate oatmeal.
You hate oatmeal? Luther, we're not having oatmeal.
Then what the heck is that?
We're having muffins for breakfast.
Well,
I just had to prank you. We're having oatmeal.
what the heck is that?
It's just, I had to make it look realistic, so I put a pot of boiling water on the stove so you would think we're eating oatmeal. Good old muffins. Isn't that right, Luther?
Get away.